Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft 365 Uptime with Microsoft Service Health detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Microsoft 365 Uptime with Microsoft Service Health, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center at admin.microsoft.com. Sign in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate and click on Health. From the drop-down menu, select Service Health. You will now see the current status of the dashboard displays both Service Health and incidents. Look for any red or yellow icons indicating issues or outages. Click on an individual service to see more details about its status. You can review the history of past incidents by selecting the Incidents tab. If an incident is currently affecting services, click on it for further information. The details will provide insights on the nature of the issue and the expected resolution time. To monitor ongoing updates, check for real-time notifications or scheduled maintenance alerts. You can also filter the service health information by specific services. For further insights, consider subscribing to notifications about service health updates. This will keep you informed of any issues affecting your organization. After gathering the information, you can share relevant updates with your team. This ensures everyone is aware of the service status and any potential impacts. Repeat this process regularly to stay informed about Microsoft 365 Uptime. By following these steps, you can effectively verify Microsoft 365 Uptime using Microsoft Service Health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.